Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, we are going to discuss about the AND gate. Okay, we are going to discuss about the symbol, working, truth table, properties, and examples of AND gate. Okay, yeah. Let us write the symbol. Let like this. Okay, A B Y is equal to A dot B. This is for two input and gate. Let us write symbol for three input and gate. Okay. A B C Y is equal to A dot B dot C. Yeah, let's just discuss about how it works. That means the output will be 1 when the both the inputs are 1. Or we can say that the output will be logic high when both the inputs are logic high. That means as one as same itself. It's simple. If all inputs are 1, then only output is 1. Okay. Else output is 0. That's it. Okay. I hope you understand that. Let us write truth table here. Truth table. Okay. A B Y 00 01 10 11. Okay. We know that when the both the inputs are high, then only output is high. We know that when the both the inputs are 1 1, that means like that the output will be 1. Otherwise, the output will be 0. Okay. Yeah, let us discuss the properties of the AND gate and then move on to the example here. Yeah, guys, let us discuss the properties of AND gate. Okay. I will change the color. Okay. Low. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Let this will be A and the another one will be 0. Yeah. You can see that in the truth table. When the input of B is 0, the output will be 0. That is simple, guys. Here you should write. Here you should write y is equal to 0. That's it. Okay. And this is the first case. Guys, yeah, in the next case, let us consider like this. This one input is A, this one input is 1. In this case, you can see that when B is 1 and the A is changing, A when it is 0, the output is 0. A when it is 1, the output is 1. That is Y is equal to A. Okay. Let us move to the third case. Here in this case, yeah, Y is equal to what? We need to find out, right? When both the inputs are same, when the both the inputs are 0 0, the output is 0. When the both the inputs are 1 1, the output is 1. Yeah, if let us simply write it as A, right? When both the inputs are 0 0 0, you can see that when the both the inputs are 1 1, it is 1. A 0, this one is also A 0 0, as it comes same as A, this one is 1, and for the another input we are giving 1. Yeah, since it will become A. Yeah, guys, let us discuss the examples here. Yeah, you can see that A. We actually need to find Y in the circuit. When the one input is A and the another input is 0 for the AND gate, we know that the output will be 0. here for the one input is B and another input is 1. Yeah, here we know that it will come B 0 B. We know that the output will be 0. Okay. Here we need to draw the timing diagram for this. That means the waveform. We know that the output will be A dot B. Output will be 1 when both the inputs are 1. Yeah, we know that here it is 0 and here you can see that this is 1, this is 0. Since that's why this is also 0. Here you can see that this is 1 and this is 1. Yeah, it will be 1. Here you can see that this one is 0, this one is 1 since the output is 0. Okay. Here you can see that A is 1, B is 0. The output is 0. Here you can see that A is 0, B is 1. The output is 0. And then you are seeing that both the inputs are 1. So that the output is 1. Okay. Let's move to the next one. For TTL logic, find y. First, we need to know that what is TTL logic. I am explaining it in a simple way that yeah, you are seeing the non-connected terminal, right? For that, in the TTL logic, the input is active high. That means 1. If we move to the ECL logic, the input is active low. That's it. Okay. I will write that here. Okay. For TTL not connected terminal at input as active high input. Okay, active high means 1. Okay, input. Okay, here we need to give it as 1. Here we need to give it as 1. Here we need to give it as 1. Here we know that the output is A. Here we know that output is B dot C. Here we know that the output is C. For then it passes to the AND gate. The output will become A dot B dot C. Okay, here Y is equal to A dot B dot C. Okay. Yeah, I hope all the concept I explained in this video is clearly understandable to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and please share it through your friends. And after subscribing my channel, hit the bell icon. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.